Hi there, car enthusiasts. Welcome back to Four Wheels Empire. Today, we're tackling a common trouble code, p0175. If your check engine light is on and your scanner shows this code, it means the fuel mixture on bank 2 is too rich. But don't worry, I'll walk you through diagnosing and fixing it step by step. Let's get started. What is p0175? The p0175 code is a generic OBD- to diagnostic trouble code DTC defined as system to rich bank 2. It shows up when the engine control module ECM or powertrain control module PCM detects too much fuel or insufficient oxygen in the air-fuel ratio. The check engine light is on, poor fuel economy, rough idle, engine stalling, black smoke from the exhaust, strong fuel smell from the exhaust. MAP sensors are located between the air filter and the throttle body. Carefully remove the MAP sensor from your car and do a quick inspection around. The wire inside often gets dirty and needs to be cleansed. You can spray the MAP sensor cleaner onto the wire, perpendicular to the ground, so that it won't damage the MAP sensor. Reinstall the MAP sensor back in the car after it gets dry. Oxygen sensor is located in the exhaust manifold of the car. Remove the oxygen sensor from the catalytic converter. Reinstall a new oxygen sensor from the original equipment company and put it back on the catalytic converter. Once all issues are addressed, use your OBD scanner to clear the p0175 code. Take the car for a test drive and monitor the live data to ensure everything is running smoothly. If the code doesn't return, you've successfully fixed the problem. And that's it. Fixing a p0175 code can seem daunting, but with the right tools and steps, it's manageable. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more automotive repair tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.